Hey guys, Dr. Fig Agro Lab Asia, a huge harvest of airlayers today. Once again, as I've mentioned before, we've been harvesting airlayers regularly. It's a good time for growing plants. It's been really hot and we haven't had much of rains, and I'm really thankful for that. So let's start. So this is Makul here. This is something that a lot of people love and message me and ask me from time to time, but currently I'm just hoarding this one. You can see that, Jolie Rouge. And then I have Brandon's Ung. This one was from Ben. Ben, my good buddy, actually produces bigger super red hybrid figs. So we classified it with the code B. And this is something that I've always loved. Bebera Branca, nice noodle-like roots. And I call that a mini plantlet. You can see that in the video. But we will still take off some leaves before planting them later this evening. This one is Ravine De Carls. For those of you who have seen this, this is a brilliant fig, lovely cracks, fantastic looking. Look up a Fig Agro Lab Asia Facebook page and you will know what I mean. And here I have VDB. This is good old Purple Jordan. Somehow seems to grow well in our region here. Purple Jordan grows nicely, produces good figs and lovely roots. This one, Black Algiers, fantastic fig, lovely, delicious. Pinyan 1, not sufficient info on this that I have at this time. Haven't harvested many figs to comment. Oh, this is a very good fig. This is Verdesca Nucho. I love this one. And I've been cloning several of them and keeping them for myself. Yes, some good friends will get them too. Good old Atriano. Those who have seen my videos know that I love this fig. If there's one fig that grows to a good size, decent tasting, a table fig, just like table wine. Of course, this is not wine flavored, but it's a great fig. Red Italian here. Pajarera. Tenente, good old Tenente, somehow doesn't seem to do so well in our climate. Nazareth, this is the second clone of Nazareth in the last couple of weeks. I love this one. Lsu Purple, lately there's been a lot of talk on the figging groups online talking about how good Lsu Purple is. Well, and look at that bunch of noodles, and what is this? This is Celentimo. Okay, I love this one. This is De La Senora. I love this one and I'm happy to have a clone of that. There's a little fig there, but that's going to be knocked off. Paradiso Bronze, not many roots on this one. This is DS Aveng from Spain. And another bunch of noodles. Okay, this is from the Middle East. Signing out, Dr. Fig Agro Lab Asia.